Welcome to Late Night Snacks, where I take my guests naughty late night snacks and turn them into gourmet little treats. I am Chef Docky, and tonight we are making a great British classic Scotch eggs with the spiritual, fun-loving, hair-red David!
Hey, thank you for having me. Thank you. Absolutely ravenous. I need a beer, I need a Scotch egg, I need your company.
So this is your favourite late night snack?
It's a favourite anytime snack, but we'll go late night because, you know, with a beer, chilling with a friend, a Scotch egg's good.
We're going to make two different flavours. Do you like black pudding?
I love black
I love black pudding.
White pudding, pudding. I like pudding. I am a pudding.
You guys are in for a treat.
Calm about that. Very calm.
So, black pudding, and we're gonna make a spicy chorizo sausage. For a basic sausage, there's ingredients that I personally like. I'm not saying that's every sausage, basic. So we've got 500 grams of 10% fat pork mince. If you want to grab those spices there, that's onion powder.
Okay, straight in?
Yes, straight in. Go on, straight in. I'll bring you a little spatula.
I mean, I won't insinuate I'm a bad cook, Jason, but there will be signs, so thank God you're guiding me.
That is a teaspoon of sage.
Okay.
Teaspoon of garlic powder, and then 10 grams of salt. And then you're just going to go in there and stir that.
Excellent, I can do that. Oh, it's a bit rigid, this.
Yeah, go.
Yes.
Don't be scared,
No,
really stir in there.
No fear here, Jason.
He wasn't scared to go out last night. Now look at him.
Yeah. Normally I'd be buying the Scotch eggs from Tesco Express, not like, I certainly won't be making them myself, so yeah.
But today we're making really refined ones.
Refined. Like us.
Like a fine glass of wine. We had some good wine last night, actually.
Yeah, Shiraz.
Oh
I'm not a Shiraz person, I'm a Malbec man.
Is it? Do you know,
you got me into Shiraz, yeah. And beer, and Zambuca, and what else did you get me into?
Me!
You got me into trouble, that's what you got me into, so.
So I'm going to put half of this sausage meat now that we've just seasoned in here.
Is this the black pudding?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's going to go in there with that. David, I was gonna ask, how were you after 99 beat? After the show?
I was beat, to be honest. I felt like I've been beaten 99 times, to be honest. Because what I had to do, because I do wedding hair and things like that. Yeah. So I actually had to fly to Italy.
Oh my God, you did say!
I had to fly to Pisa straight after. So I went from 99 strangers here to 99 strangers in Italy, do wedding hair, and I was just, the first people I actually had contact with were these strangers in Italy that I had to just kind of keep the show to myself and just really kind of contain myself. But at the same time, I've got all these thoughts, feelings, I'm exhausted. Yeah, it was crazy.
I can't imagine doing all of 99 to beat, that craziness, and just go, well, high five to you.
Yeah, thank you.
Jesus Christ.
High five to me, indeed.
So, David, you've mixed your black pudding.
Yep, looks like chocolate, to be honest. Cookie dough.
I love black pudding. It's not chocolate. It's not cookie dough either. It's black pudding. I love the black pudding. I'm gonna put this in the fridge to sit and marinate for a while. You're gonna make the chorizo. I say chorizo. The spicy sausage.
Spicy sausage. I love a spicy sausage.
Spicy sausage. In there, you've got half a teaspoon of hot chili powder and half a teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of chili flake. And then we've got a teaspoon of lightly crushed fennel seeds. It really makes it taste. It's almost fermented. Yeah. And then we've got a teaspoon of marjoram, and then we've got a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Right. And then David's gonna mix that. I am? Like a champion.
Like a champ. This is about as good as it gets for me.
Do you cook much at home?
No, I'm a terrible cook. You know, there will be signs. I won't insinuate I'm a terrible cook, but there will be signs. I try to cook for like nutrition really, if I'm going to the gym or going for a run, or because I live on my own. It's the washing up that drives me crazy.
That's why you don't cook.
So takeaways, there'll be a few takeaways.
Cooking is an essential skill, mate.
Yeah, so is drinking, but you know. Depends what you're drinking and what you're cooking. That's how. Cheers to that. I'll cook a Scotch egg now you've done this though.
Now that you're doing this, how easy is it to follow a recipe?
Yeah, so easy.
Isn't it?
I'm curious as well. Like, I mean, this might be a bit out there in terms of question, but you know how we're all using our air fryers and that? Could you actually do your Scotch egg in the air?
This is something that I was going to mention here. When you do something like that in an air fryer, I would toast the breadcrumbs first and then bread them and then put them in the air fryer.
Right, I do.
Yeah,
it makes sense.
Okay, David, there, well mixed. Looks good. Smell good?
Smells amazing.
Amazing, isn't it? Yeah, this is going to taste really good.
This will be the best one.
Do you reckon?
Oh, I think
Coming
so.
from a British man, it's going to go to the fridge to marinate for 10 minutes. And what's a Scotch egg without an egg? So we're going to boil some eggs. Whilst we wait for those to come to the boil, I was going to ask you, who's David when David's at home?
Oh, yeah, I do like to have a David day from there. Long story short, I kind of wake up, I'll probably like meditate, go for a run, or go to the gym.
Yeah, you do go for runs quite almost daily, isn't it?
Yeah, to be honest, it's like the gym is for like a self-esteem thing. It's something I've done for quite a while. It's like just to make me feel better about myself. But the run is more of a mental health thing. When I'm running, I will have a lot of arguments. I will have a lot of decision making. Sometimes I just have a lyric of a song going round and round and round on loop. Oh, honestly, it's like I'm running away briefly.
Yeah,
it just gives me that
all right,
feeling.
I get you. Water is boiling, so we need to get these eggs, David, in there. Just put them in.
Plug them in.
That's not that hard,
Ordinary
Slowly. We want to give David the best Scotch egg he's ever had. We're making soft boiled eggs. So we're gonna go 6 minutes in there and then really shock them really quick in really cold, ice cold water. Do you know what? Yeah, for some reason I thought you really could cook, and I don't know why. And I mean that.
I just can't be bothered. It's like cleaning. I just can't be bothered. I'd rather have someone else do it for me.
David, eggs are ready. Come on, man. I need to go in the ice. So in here, I've got some cold water and a few ice cubes. Grab them all at once, David.
Okay.
Just grab them all at once. Come on. Yeah.
No time to waste.
You're a pro kitchen here now. Yeah. So as I showed on the cling film, press it out as best you can. Make a little circle. If you feel the meat is sticking to your fingers too much,
I don't mind.
yeah, you can lick your hand.
It's probably best not to lick my fingers though.
No,
Probably not. Bit of salmonella.
The funniest bit in the whole show for me was when we did the instruments. All the challenge was hard and stressful, but that was a good
I hated
giggle.
it. Absolutely hated it.
Did you not like it?
I hated it. Excellent, thank you. So bunch up the corners.
And then really tighten it up. Tighten. Don't want the egg won't pop. So you're gonna go with that hand in there.
I am left-handed actually.
Yeah.
So
Cover it properly in flour. That's exactly where you're going wrong. That should be where but I'll do this part. Don't worry. Because look at your hands now.
Direction.
Sorry.
Get me to go.
Wash your dirty hands. Yeah. Can we have a little bit more of an insight on David's spirituality and what it means?
Oh yeah, so interestingly enough, it kind of happened on accident. It kind of finds you rather than you find it. I started kind of getting thoughts and feeling almost like I was going back to my authentic self, like I was when I was a kid, like without all the conditioning, without like life getting in the way. And these are my personal beliefs, but like, you know, crystal, ironically enough, I did do, part of my degree was to do with geology and that, so I understand crystals anyway on a sort of geological level, but on a spiritual level, they're billions of years of sort of heat and pressure to make this stone. So if you believe this object is going to make you feel better and you're carrying it around with you, then so be it, you can feel better. So, placebo or not, your mind is powerful.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, I've got as you'll know now, the butterfly is important in so many ways, but I have a tattoo on my calf of a butterfly. Fundamentally, it means transformation, because you know the butterfly goes through the sort of caterpillar stage to the chrysalis to then become the butterfly.
It is quite
transformative. You've got to turn into mush before you turn into this beauty.
They look delicious, don't they?
I'd eat them now. I mean, no.
They're not cooked yet, bro. They're not. Come on, go and switch on the oven. I can't wait for David to see what a soft cooked Scotch egg. It's like. First thing you have to do when you cut the Scotch egg is salt and pepper. So if you do a little pinch on each of these. Chef David. Which one are you going on?
I'm going spicy sausage.
I'm gonna go black pudding. Yes. Let's go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow. Oh, it's like, it's hitting every time.
This is so earthy and oh my god.
Dare I say, the black pudding one's the best. It's like a Sunday dinner in a snack.
I didn't even think of it in that way. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, we made it from scratch, start to finish. Black pudding, spicy sausage, and serrano ham. Spiritual leader, fun, funny, one more time for an amazing David! Thank you so much for coming on the show!
I'm a bit of a meme queen, to be honest. I will do it from scratch if I'm going to make a curry.
It's one of my favourite things to make as well.
Oh, okay, and I've done it. I mean, I've done it once, but like because
when I'm going to visit up north, he's gonna make it himself easy.
What I'll do is I'll take you to a really good curry. I've had the best time, and I hate cooking.